Oh hey, it's me. You probably thought I was a leafy green. I mean, you are what you eat. Today we're talking about the goodness of greens. Let's play a little true or false. Question 1. Green is a flavor. False. Every leafy green has their own flavor. Some are bitter, some are herbaceous. Question 2. Leafy greens are good for you. True! Leafy greens are rich in vitamins, antioxidants. They reduce your risk of heart disease as well as having brain-boosting nutrients. Finally, question 3. Leafy greens are for making salad. False. Wait, true. But not only for making salad. Wait, is this a trick question? There's a whole world of delicious dishes that call for leafy greens. Here's one of my favorites. Your friends will be green with envy at your fresher, more energetic attitude. If you have a green thumb, you might even save a little green at the grocery. And even if you're green at cooking, it's time to fire up that leafy green lifestyle. So consider this the green light to try something new.